this video, I'll explain to you how you can view, copy and research tags on any YouTube videos available on YouTube. For this, I suggest you to use one freely available browser extension called TubeBuddy. So this is what I'm talking about. So for this, just go to tubebuddy.com and then you'll see a button here, something like this, to install it on your browser. Once it has been installed, you can close this page and then go to YouTube and open up any YouTube video. Once you have opened any YouTube video, you will see this video analytics section on the right part of your YouTube video, and if you scroll down here, you can see the tags that have been used by the particular video. So this is my own video and these are the tags that I have used. So if I want to see the rankings for these tags, I can just click on this button here, which will display the current ranking for these tags. So also the other cool thing about TubeBuddy is I can do a bit of research just by clicking on the tag here, and then it shows little more information that can be very useful on choosing tags, deciding your titles, meta description, something like that. So if I want to copy the tags from here, I can tap on this copy to button here, and then I can select one or more or all the tags here and then copy to clipboard, or I can also add them to particular list and then use them later on any videos on my channel. So I have just copied the tags from that particular video. So these are the tags now, so I can use these anywhere I want. And since tags can be common in one or more videos or can be common in different channels, so it won't be a problem to use relevant tags that have been already used by other creators, unless they are totally unrelated to your channel. So this is it. If you want to know more how to optimize your YouTube video using tags, how to optimize your title, description and more, I have written a blog post here. I'll leave this I will leave this link in the description section below. Don't forget to check out. Hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.